it's Kelly Time Cat. I'm going to now review the final quarter of 2022 in film. I'm going to do this really quickly, starting with Donnie Darko, 2001 film, but it's brilliant. Detachment, 2011, stars Adrian Brody, a teacher. The Age of Adeline, I'd seen that before, but I revisited it in October. 7 Days to Vegas, involved walking from Los Angeles to Vegas. Living, starring Bill Nighy. I saw that in the cinema. Watch the Sunset, I've already reviewed. Very interesting film. Bros, 2022. That was great. The People Who Ate Wedding. Saw that on the day it was released. Dave Made a Maze, 2017. Amusing, Meet Cute. Again, a brand new film I saw on streaming. Planes, Trains and Automobiles, 1987. It was a slow burner. It grew on me. Arctic Blast, I saw that when the weather started turning cold. Idiocracy, 2006. I enjoyed a lot. Finding Nemo, 2003. A colleague actually mentioned this film as film representative of disabled people. Your Christmas or Mine, just I did that as a recent review. Backcountry, I'm in the middle of finishing that review. And finally, Detour. It's a film that I've made notes on that I can actually create a review for. So I think that's 17 films in total. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.